in the beginning, it was a big problem for me to fix here, because in the original file, it used the child pointer and the parent pointer directly. But here we have to find out which one is the parent pointer based on the value that have been put in the list, or the PCS tree. So I have to give them, instead of give the name, I also have to give them an animation name so that I can easily find it. Okay, and this is the hierarchy part. And the set born pose, no, not this. Set born pose, set animation data. Okay, this one. Okay, we use the animation header and the stack nums, because as the layout here, if the stack num is 1, so everything is from the beginning, the born frame is from beginning, the borns are from beginning of the offset. But if the stack number is 0, 1, 2, if the stack number is 2, the frames offset should change here, and the born offset should change to, for example, here. So we have to do some math here. And yeah, this is just the math part. Change the first pointer of the, based on the offset, we calculate the first pointer of each one, or the frame bucket of the bonds. And also the first one dealt with a little bit separately, and all the other ones just change all the pointers to its desired value based on the old value in the data memory, not using any of the eyes here. Okay, this is load in place. Okay, and also I did the play control. The play control just gives them a speed, and it can increase, decrease the speed. And also, I want to put all the animations in, for example, PCS tree. And if I press key 1, I will show this animation. Press key 2, this animation. And if it's bear, it will use the bear camera, and if it's human, it will use the human camera. So even though I did play animation one time, but actually all the values are loaded in memory. Okay, now I want to show you this first one is a bear walk. Okay, and I can change its speed to reset its speed, play it back. Okay, it's back, and decrease its speed. Decrease its speed. Okay, and okay, control key. And this one, they follow the same algorithm, but I want to put this one, just play. This is the idle. They follow the same algorithm, but when I put them together, I had a little bit problem. So I just show you it here, but I will fix the problem later. Okay, this is a human part. Okay, this is a human run. Oh, we can change the speed. Or backwards. And reset the value. Okay. Okay, this is shot. And when I try to put everything in the animation manager, I have some bug. And Control key. Yeah, it looks like this, all totally blank screen. So here I figure out why it is that, because in the set animation part, we have to get, oh, no, set hierarchy part, we have to get a root, a tree pointer from the game object manager, and set the firstborn. And every time when I load a new block data to the animation manager, the firstborn got reset. So I need some active list to hold all the firstborns, and when I want to use one of them, I can get it from the list, and the firstborn should only be the active one. That will fix the problem, but I didn't notice it until last night, so I don't have time to do that. I can only show you with data like this. Okay, and this is what I have done in my final project. Even though I didn't go to your class in person, but I watched all the online videos at least 3 times. So I did probably what you want me to do, and after that, I also did some extra work that I want to show you. Because I have difficulties with rendering the viewer, rendering the textures in P4, so I read a lot of things and did something else to do that. Okay, this is my OpenGL program. So I followed a YouTube video on the OpenGL program from the very beginning till the very end. So from the very beginning, I typed everything here and made some notes and try to figure out what happens when rendering a texture. So as almost the last step is here, the 4th step, I could render texture. But when I apply the same algorithm to the P4, it also have some bugs. I cannot get the textures rendered. That's why in the final product, I didn't use all the original textures of the nodes. And this is what I will show you that I have played with. Okay, textures. Okay, we have 2 textures here, and we could change the position of the texture. And I also played with the values here. This one, well, the first part is the vectors, and the second part is the textures. So I played with that a lot and played around with that. Okay, thank you, Professor Ed, and it's my pleasure to take your class. Thank you for teaching. Have a good Thanksgiving. Bye.